This is not a food video. This is a continuous industrial sugar manufacturing system.
In sugar manufacturing, production begins with data, not with machines.
Sugar here is treated as a bulk industrial material, not a consumer product.
Sugar manufacturing begins with whole sugarcane intake. Each sugarcane delivery is digitally registered at the mill gate.
Cane juice quality is monitored continuously within sealed process lines.
Raw cane juice properties are measured continuously without exposing the process stream. Sugarcane material traceability is established before clarification.
Traceability is established before processing begins.
Enterprise systems synchronize material availability instantly. Batch-identified cane juice is transferred into clarification through sealed process lines.
Production planning is driven by verified data inputs.
Sugar extraction begins with mechanical crushing of prepared sugarcane. Raw cane juice is transferred through enclosed pipelines. Clarification removes impurities from cane juice. Chemical treatment of cane juice is precisely controlled within sealed systems. Clarified cane juice is separated continuously within a controlled settling system. Cane juice is concentrated into syrup through evaporation. Thermal efficiency is managed at system level. Sugar crystal formation is tightly controlled. Internal circulation maintains crystal consistency.
Solid-liquid separation occurs continuously.
Sugar process liquor is reused internally within the closed system. The entire sugar process operates as a single, controlled material flow.
All sugar operations are supervised centrally. Programmable logic controllers execute process logic.
Operators monitor parameters, not machinery motion. Interlocks protect system stability. Feedback control maintains consistent sugar crystal formation.
Redundancy ensures continuous operation.
Cane syrup quality is measured continuously within a fully enclosed process line. Sugar color and moisture are monitored in real time. Off-spec sugar is corrected automatically.
Drying stabilizes the final sugar crystal structure.
Granulated sugar particle size consistency is actively controlled. Controlled cooling prevents degradation. Dust management ensures safety and efficiency. Packaging begins after process stabilization. Weight accuracy is verified in line.
Identification follows logistics standards. Sugar bags are converted into pallets.
Pallets are stabilized for logistics handling. The pallet becomes the primary logistics unit.
Manufacturing execution validates output.
Inventory status is updated instantly.
Warehouse operations are triggered automatically.
Sugar traceability is maintained from sugarcane intake to packaged sugar output. Sugar manufacturing systems operate as one integrated digital backbone.
This is a stabilized industrial sugar production system operating in steady state.
Sugar feeds multiple beverage industries. Sugar supports downstream food manufacturing.
Sugar acts as an upstream material node.
The same logic applies across fast-moving consumer goods sectors.
Continuous processing extends beyond sugar.
Sugar production scales through tightly integrated process control systems. Not through products, but through control.
Sugar manufacturing operates as a coordinated production system.
Sugar is a foundational material within industrial manufacturing systems.
Sugar is an upstream material within a larger manufacturing system. Industrial sugar manufacturing begins and ends with controlled material flow.